Romanian meteorologists have issued 2 yellow weather warning with rain, snow and blizzards for Bucharest and several other countries in southwest and southeast of the country. According to Euronews, Romania, snow accumulated of up to 15 centimeters is expected in the capital. In the Bucharest, a snowstorm caused more than 1,000 trees to fall on roads and cars, as well as 4 billboards at 28 buildings element, the Bucareste-Ilfova Emergency Inspetoria said. In Ilfovsky country, 2 traffic light poles, 18 works were carried in places where trees and poles fell. The work of public transport in Bucharest was disrupted on the morning when the traffic jams was blocked. Tram line 41 was blocked after a bus skidded after the tram line in Prelasei Liberal Square. Across the country, school in 4 districts closed due to bad weather. The Ministry of Education has announced that the classes will not held in the school of Braga and other counties, where snowstorm and strong winds are expected. This a total of 102 schools remain closed, where precipitation falls in the form of rain, flash floods and floods are possible. Such floods can occur in lowland communities near streams and other large bodies on the water, as well in the urban areas with especially overflowing storm sewer system. Cities downstream of large reservoirs might be subject to flash flooding after a relatively short period of intense rainfall.